Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ron, and I got some breaking video for you. I came along the video of the apprehension of Ryan Wesley Routh, the person who attempted to assassinate President Donald Trump in West Palm Beach. And this video is from the Martin County Sheriff Department and other agencies at the time he was apprehended. So let's go ahead and do that disclaimer. And let's take a look at the video.
Driver! Take 2 steps to your right! Take 2 steps to your right! Come back. Driver! Walk straight back! Keep walking! Keep that long.